Hello, hello. So, Happy New Year. Year 2026. Actually, bago pa ako nakaabot gikan sa Kagjanaw and nga ito pinaka inaasam-asam na makaon parang ako ni out is because tada! I have my 2026 planner and I'm so excited to open it. So, ato abrahan guys. Karon 2026, ato na seryoso na ato mga plano sa kinabuhi. Char! Bitaw. It's just a way to keep myself accountable, to be honest, because I believe na bisin naapa sa imo tanan planner sa kalibutan kung sa panagana kundi sad ka mulihok ya gihapon useless. So tingnan natin. Guwapa ito kuan ito color guys. This is the green one, which is for Mamaw, and this is the purple one, which is mine. Let's open. Dali, kasama sa nada. Yearly planner. A notebook for you. The sticker here cannot be returned or exchanged if torn open. Please check carefully and keep photos. Blah 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 blah. And wait, man sila na kuan na goosey. It means na wait ni Gabriel. Let's open. So premium. Naagad sa ato ka ng feeling gani na kanang pag-abri ng butang na bisin bago. It's so kimchi. Na kayo. It's so pretty, everyone. You can see the engraved 2026 and oh, so nice. Hopefully with this I can be more accountable. It's from Baya. And let's open it. I like the premium feel of the leather. And Daily Plan 2026. Wow. Flowers. The 2026 year calendar, rather. Work plan, annual plan. Wow. I like it so much. This is so helpful. I'm gonna use this every day. It's January 2 now and I'm actually gonna film and live stream my 2025 wrapped and hopefully it's good. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna write my journal, my habits that I want to track. I really need to do it now because tabang goodness, ugma 3, 4, 5 eskwela na and I still have many things to do. My work immersion is coming up and yeah. But don't worry, I can always find time. That's me. Bye-bye.